There are vintage recipes aplenty here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, and today I'm making another one. I am making something called cottage cheese pie. What do you think of that, cottage cheese? Sounds like it would be good in a pie, huh? Let's find out now. Grab 2 eggs, put them in the container. 2 tablespoons of flour and a ½ cup of sugar. Mix this together until smooth. You need 1/4 cup of cream, heavy cream. 2 cups of cottage cheese, that's a 16-ounce container. I'm going to slowly incorporate that into there. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. You can also add some lemon zest. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix that all together and pour it into a pie shell. I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes or until set in the middle. Cottage cheese pie, I'm just going to let it cool for a little while and then I'm going to slice into it. Cottage cheese pie. I could definitely see the curds inside of that. But how does it taste? Kind of cheesecake-like. It's like a creamy, it's like a cheesecake cream pie-like pie. It's interesting. It's vintage, that's for sure. If you like cottage cheese, then this is the pie for you. Thanks for visiting me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, and I'll see you next time. Click like if you like this video. If you don't like it, dislike it, I guess. Some guy was walking past, and he threw cottage cheese right at me. How dare he?